Hello, it's last Forex news for October 2009, provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Anna Smirnova. The investors staking on the Japanese yen still have some chances to continue pushing the Japanese currency down, but this space is small. The factors promoting the US dollar upturn against the yen during this month will turn out against the American currency because the growth of the American bonds profitability makes the Japan investors fix the profit, which at least 2 times exceeds the profit they can earn at home. The investors are expecting that in spite of the further growth prospects of the dollar-yen pair in the following weeks, the correlation between the dollar-yen pair rate and the yield curve in the medium-term prospect will continue. The yen was under the pressure for the most part of the October, while the dollar was steadily growing from the minimum of 88 yen to 92 yen amid the reducing of the world investors' risk propensity. Even though the stock quotations on the world equity market has rose because the profit reports for the third quarter turned out to be better than the forecast, the rising fears regarding the world economy recovery are dominated among market participants' mood. It is considered that more positive profits results of the many companies will be found unstable when the expenses cutting will be over. Not only the expectations concerning the world economy have weakened, attitude to the Japanese economy have become worse, especially sharp. Although the Bank of Japan expressed optimism regarding the economy recovery, the Japanese finance ministry still has some concerns, and they appeal to the central bank for not to cut the stimulating measures in advance. Meanwhile, the dollar is supported not only because it is considered as an asylum currency more than the yen, but also due to the growth of the US bonds income that makes the dollar more attractive in comparison with the yen. Though the US Federal Reserve System is still signaling that the US interest rates will remain at low levels for a long time, the feeling that the situation will change soon is becoming strong on the market. These talks are fed by the real yield growth of the US Treasury bonds. Yield of the 10-year Treasury note was more than 3.5%, while the yield of the Japanese bonds was less than 1.5%. However, exactly this yield difference displacement will promote the dollar reverse against the yen. Because the Japanese investors' demand for the American assets is rising, they will use the advantage of the sharper yield curve in order to hedge the risks related to the Treasury bonds. Therefore, although the short-term pressure may push the dollar-yen pair to 94, the American currency support will weaken. The pair falling to 88 looks more probable with the year-end coming. We will be back at Monday with the next release. Goodbye.